Hello, my name is Adriana Sofía Peñafiel Mercado. I am a student child pedagogy Caucin Celejo. My wishes. I wish in life a good job as a teacher, to graduate and get a master degree. I would like to have my own house, but chiefly my graduate wish is that my children go to a university and hope, hopefully they can graduate with honors. I wish I had money to travel on this vacation and discover a new place with my family. And finally, I want to have economic stability, stability to live comfortably. Thank you very much.